In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into link in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to turn any line of text into a clean clickable link without cluttering your page with long URLs. I'll walk you through 4 reliable ways, from the fastest keyboard move to the simple on-screen tools, and share quick tips, so you know exactly when to use each one. First up, the fastest option. The keyboard shortcut. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link. On a Mac, press Command+K. On Windows, press Ctrl+K. A small link box appears right where you are working. Paste or type the URL, then press Enter to confirm. This is perfect when you are in the flow and don't want to leave the keyboard. If you ever need to change it later, just highlight the linked text and use the same shortcut to update the URL. Next, the formatting menu. Highlight your text and you'll see the pop-up toolbar appear above it. Click the link icon, which looks like a small chain. A field opens where you can paste or type your URL. Then confirm. This method is great if you prefer clicking over shortcuts or if you are already using the formatting bar to make other adjustments like bold or italics. Another quick method is to paste a link directly over selected text. First, copy your URL from your browser. Then go back to Notion. Select the words you want to link and paste with Command or Ctrl+V. Notion will automatically convert the highlighted text into a hyperlink using the URL you just pasted. This is especially handy when you already have the address copied and want a one-step move. Finally, you can use the / command. Place your cursor where you want to add a link and type /. Then the word link. Choose the link option from the menu that appears. A link field will open so you can enter your URL. This is useful if you like working with Notion's commands and prefer keeping your hands on the keyboard while still navigating the interface. A few quick tips as you go. Use clear, descriptive text so people know what they're clicking. Double-check your URLs before confirming. And keep your formatting consistent across a page to make your workspace easy to scan. With these 4 approaches, you'll always have a smooth way to add links, no matter how you like to work. Thanks for watching.